So currently, the obvious bottlenecks and challenges are that this information about the real estate is fragmented. It is still on paper. It is still insecure, and there are a number of frictions, number of bottlenecks if you would like to verify, for example, certain documents, or if you would like to implement a certain process. And now using UI and blockchain as a notary, something that can guarantee the integrity of data, there are these opportunities to keep track of the historical changes, but also to manage data in a way that you can, for example, see what are the exact measurements, for example, in-house measurements of your apartment. You can manage a renovation passport of your home. For example, you can prove that you really did some upgrades in your house, and these upgrades are aligned with the European Green Deal and with the circularity and the sustainability initiatives. You can also manage the quality dossier. That is a new regulation in Netherlands that will soon come in force, maybe in approximately 1 year. And all the construction companies will have to deliver such quality dossier with essential documentation and certificates about materials, quality, and other information about how this place was built. You can also make sure that the appraiser and the bank, they deal with the right and correct data when they're making the appraisal of the home. And of course, you can use such infrastructure for energy label and energy certification. And here in a few screens, we just present our vision for user interface of a mobile application.